Very good afternoon, dear students. So, very good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to English class. This is Kharade sir, and today we are going to discuss a remaining topic of questions. Only I started before 2 days framing questions. That only topic I am going to continue because again still WH question is remaining. So that I will complete. First we have completed yes or no type question. Yes or no type question. Today again I will continue with WH question. There are two types of question. First one is a WH question and another one is a yes or no type question. So yes or no type question already I discussed. I taught what is the structure of yes or no type question. Answer will be yes or no. Yes or no type question begins with helping verb. What are the helping verbs? Total 24 helping verbs. Also I told you, and begins with helping verb. So everything I discussed about yes or no type question. Dear students, very important part WH question. How to frame WH question. So let's start without wasting time. English class WH question. So the topic is WH question. Topic is WH question, and here dear students, what you should do. As I have taught you, I have told you yes or no type question. Yes or no type question. That begins with helping verb. Begins with helping verbs. And answer will be yes or no only. The answer will be yes or no. Did you understand? Yes. Did you complete? Yes. Do you live there? Yes. Are you writing? Yes. Have you completed? Yes. All these are yes or no type questions, and that begins with helping verbs. But today we are going to learn how to frame WH question. How to frame WH question. So dear students, WH question means what I will write here first, and then I will discuss. A question begins with a question begins with WH word and answer will be informative. Answer will be informative. Answer can be informative or will be informative. So WH question means what, dear students? WH question means a question begins with WH word and answer will be informative. So the answer of WH question will be informative, not yes or no. If you want to answer WH question, you should answer informative answer should be there. Informative answer should be there and it begins with a WH word. So first you should know what are the WH words. What are the WH words? And with that WH word, if sentence begins, that is called yes WH question. So now example I will write here. Otherwise Okay, example I will write. Example. Dear students, example of WH question is who are you? Who are you? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? So, who are you? What is your name? These two questions are WH questions. These two questions are WH questions. Why? Because two important facts are there. First is these questions begin with WH word. These both questions, these two questions, these begins with WH word, and here WH word is who. Who is a WH word? And what is also WH word? WH means what? Begins with WH. W and H. WH word. And answer of this question is, or answer of these questions should be informative. Who are you? This is the question. We cannot answer yes or no. Who are you? Yes. Who are you? Yes. Who are you? No. Wrong. Yes or no answer will be not there. Answer should be informative. Who are you? Answer is I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. That is this is the informative answer. Who are you? Informative answer. I am a student. What is your name? What is your name? So my name is Ram. My name is Ram. This is also informative answer. Informative means what? Information should be there in the answer, any information. So dear students, here I have written on the board wait. Raman Goda, my voice is clear or not? Wait, I will start. Wait. Yes, Raman Goda, my voice is
clear, sir.
clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Only one student. Putturaj, I asked Raman Goda. That student only will give answer. Other off your mic. This is the rule. No need to explain 100 times. So here, these are two WH questions. Begins with who and what, and the answer will be informative. What is informative? Here, who are you is the question, and the answer is I am a student. So this is informative answer. And such questions we call WH questions. Such questions we call WH question. So write down the definition of WH question, two examples of WH questions, and then I will give you list of WH words and then how to frame WH question. Write down these things. So now dear students, here do not chat. List of WH words. List of WH words. List of WH words. So there are WH words like where, what, who, when, then why, which, whose, whom, then why, how, when, what, went. Went is not question. Where is written? Where is written Raman Kota? Where is that? Okay. So now, dear students, these are WH words. First one, where, what, who, when, why, which, whose, whom, how many, how much. So these are all WH words, and dear students, if question begins with these words, that is called WH question. So now dear students, here I just want to tell you that how to use these WH words. First, write down these WH words, list of WH words. So Raman Goda, read all this. Raman Goda.
Yes, sir. Where, what, who, when, why, which, whose, whom, how many, how much.
Very good. Very good. So these are all WH words. Okay. So now, dear students, let's learn how to frame WH question. Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
So now, first thing you should learn in WH question, and the thing is structure of WH question. Don't chat. I told you, do not send message. So first thing, structure of WH question. Structure of WH question. This you must know that what is the structure of WH question. So WH question, it should be like this. That is called structure. Structure will help you to frame WH question. Here I am going to write structure of WH question. So structure will be WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb and then object. So this is the structure of WH question. You should follow this structure only. To frame WH question, you should follow this structure. So Yogana, read the structure of WH question.
Word helping verb plus subject or plus object.
WH word will be first, then helping verb you should use, then subject, then main verb and then object. This is the structure of WH question. Example I will write, then you will understand. Example is where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? This is a WH question. Sorry. So I am going to follow the structure of WH question. Here, WH word is where? WH word is where? Helping verb is did. Helping verb is did. Subject is you. Subject is you. Main verb is go. Main verb is go, and then object or this is transitive verb, but I am taking as an object. Here is no object. In this sentence, object is not there. But okay, in some sentences object also will be there. For example, I will write why do you need a pen? Why do you need a pen? Why do you need a pen? So, Yogana tell me that which is the WH word and helping verb, subject, main verb and object from the example. Tell me. Who will tell? Kiran Nelly. Kiran Nelly, tell.
Sir, why WH question, sir? Do helping, sir. You subject, need subject pens.
Need what? Need what? What is need? Main verb.
Sir.
So here, why is WH word? Helping verb is do, subject is you, main verb is need, and object is a pen. So I have followed structure of WH question. Whenever you are writing WH question, you should follow the structure, and the structure is WH word will be first. After WH word, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. This is the structure of WH question. Write down, otherwise I will. Sairab.
Completed, sir.
part I am going to teach you. Very important. Why? Because you will think you are confused in question paper or in English grammar. What type of question will come? You should know. Question. In question paper, what type of question will come? In examination, for examination, based on WH question, what will be there? Exact question. So, dear students, the question will be like this. Example. Here, if I write, he lives in Chennai. He lives in Chennai is the sentence, and for examination in English paper, question will be like this. Frame WH question. Frame WH question to get underlined part as an answer. This is the question 1 mark. 1 or 2 marks. This question will be for 1 or 2 marks, and the question is, he lives in Chennai. Frame WH question to get underlined part as an answer. So, Farhan, tell me, what is underlined part? Tell me underlined part of the sentence. Farhan. Otherwise, who will tell?
Sir, Ramagura sir. Kumar sir.
Shiv Kumar tell.
Sir, Ramagura.
Shiv Kumar.
Yes sir. In Chennai.
In Chennai is the underlined part. Is Chennai is the underlined part in the sentence. And the question is, write or frame WH question to get underlined part as answer. Means what? Underlined part should be answer of the question. So in question, you should not use underlined part because this is the answer of question. So how to frame? I will write example, I will solve example, then I will explain how it is possible. So answer will be where does he live? Answer. Where does he live? If you write this, you will get 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 mark or 2 marks. This is very, very important. So where does he live? And if we write, if we have framed here WH questions, where does he live? To get underlined part as answer. So answer of this question, where does he live, is in Chennai. Automatically we will get underlined part as answer of the question. Where does he live? He lives in Chennai. In Chennai is the answer. Understood, dear students?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Write down. Write down. Yes.
Yes sir.
Write down.
What sir? Completed sir. Completed sir.
So now rules I will give. Rules. First, use correct WH. Use correct WH word. WH word. According to tense. According to tense. Use helping verb. Use helping verb. Follow the structure of WH question. WH question ends with question mark. Rules write down now. Rules write down.
Written, sir.
So Spurti Madarkandi. Spurti, read all the rules. Spurti, read all the rules.
Rule first, use correct WH word. Second, according to tense, use the helping word. Follow the structure WH question. Fourth, end with question mark.
Very good. Very good. So yeah, Spurti, too much disturbance was there, but it's okay. No doubt. Off your mic. Off your mic, beta. Yes. Sanket Dangi. Sanket, read. Sanket, read all the rules. Sanket has left. I know that. I know everything. Yes. Many students are there. They are only. Okay, Yogana, understood? Rules. Okay. Now, example, off your mic, Samartha. Off your mic, everyone. Last warning to you. Yeah. She has reached at 3 p.m. She has reached at 3 p.m. So this is the question. She has reached at 3 p.m. So frame WH question to get underlined part as answer. Who will frame WH question? Who will frame WH question?
Sir, Ramgada, sir,
Raman Goda, tell me answer. Raman Goda, tell me.
When does she reach?
When does she reach? Raman Goda, wrong answer. Wrong answer. Okay, wait. Let me explain.
When do she
No, no, no. Let me explain. Let me explain. When is the correct word? Because I have given that use correct WH word means what? WH word should be related to underline part. Check underline part. So here at 3 p.m. this is the time. At 3 p.m. this is the time, and for the time we use when. For time we use when. So when I have used. Now after WH word helping verb you should use. So already if there is helping verb in the sentence, if already helping verb is there, you should take that only. When has she reached?
Yes, sir.
When has she reached? Answer will be she has reached at 3 p.m. Now next one. Yogana was watching TV. Okay? Wait. Watching TV will be not there. Yogana was watching a movie. Yogana was watching a movie. Frame WH question to get underlined part as answer. Who will frame WH question? Yes. Ashlesh Mamdapur.
What was Yogna?
What was Yogana watching? So here what we have used, because here is a thing, object, idea. So that's why what is the right WH word to be used. Was is already helping verb, we have taken as it is. After was, subject should be there, subject is Yogana. After subject, main verb is there, main verb. What was Yogana watching? Yogana was watching a movie. This is the answer of the question. Understood, dear students?
Understood, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I just want to give you how to use correct WH word. This is the last part of the WH question. So how to use WH word, correct WH word. I will give, if, where you have to use if underlined part is place, when you have to use for time, who you have to use for person, why you have to use for a reason, what you have to use for object, thing or idea. Okay? Then which choice? Okay, which choice? And the last one is here anything, where, who, when, where, why, what. Okay, how you have to use manner and whose you have to use possession. Okay, so write down this possession. So if underlined part is a place, use a WH word where. Underline part. First, just read underline part. Underline part will be place, time, person, reason, object, thing or idea, choice, manner, possession. So accordingly, these underline parts, these answers, you should use WH word. After WH word, there will be helping verb, subject, main verb. Note it down.